Yo, PC Monkey here with another Bitcoin video. Honestly, I did a recording. Then I saw like she's just talking irrelevant stuff a lot. So just do another recording. So this time I'm just gonna jump into the charting without saying anything else. I'm gonna end it with charting, I guess. So BTC did came to that magnet that we drew 88,000. My magnet was looking at 88,500, 200. Where we stopped is at 88,600. Give or take, it's the same. Okay, so if it wants to go up, in my opinion, we have to come and hold $96,000, right? Now, if you're like spot buying, and if I'm spot buying and I think it's a low, I would have bought here and here, and then I would have bought more if it continues to go up after the hold. After the hold, towards downside, we haven't break any structure, so I can't say, oh look, because the structure is about to get broken right here, right? So after you come around 95,800, you have a chance to break the bearish structure. Right now you don't, because you're not even there. Now, if you hold around here and slowly try to reach, get rejected and lose control, you might do a slow movement all the way down until you get to 84,000. I think once you lose this, there are two more levels till you get to that 70. So if I show you guys on the daily, there's this area, right? But in my opinion, if you lose this area, then we will see that $74,000. So I would say this, which is a range, but I'll take it as a line, is the last resort. 82,000. Then we're gonna see the 70s. All right. Yeah, 70s were actually a better years anyway. Anyway. All right. So USDT been going up slowly, and this is daily. It's been doing this, right? Higher highs and higher lows. Now with a 4 hour, however, it does look like a little bit dumpy. Might be a move all the way down to 5.6%, right? Then a reaction up to here, and then a continuation. That is a possible. Or if we want to hold the structure as we're doing right now, then it will come back above the daily. Once we do that, we could see a little bit of a higher price, meaning we gain the 6.20%. We go above it. So if you go above this weekly line, we have to go all the way to 7%. There's nothing in between. So that is a possibility. But I do see over the 4 hour a momentary down move all the way to 5.59, somewhere around there, give or take. Give or take. Uh, so let's talk about the liquidations. I don't know what I'm going to share to you guys. Okay, so this is liquidation on 3 days. The top liquidation is around $94,000. We did have a little bit of liquidation here. We grabbed it towards the downside. Obviously, the liquidation is just getting built up because people are logging right now. That's model number one on 3 days. If I show you guys the model number one on 24 hours, you could see there's a little bit of liquidations to grab at 90,418 towards the upside. A little bit more if you want to wake up. If you do want to wake up, obviously right now new 1 hour, so we'll see what happens. See what happens, and oh, I talked about it. The large orders, however, does show around 97, 98,000. A lot of large orders, sell orders are coming in. So a little bit of demand, a little bit of supply, right? Let me refresh this. Does look like a little bit out of loop, you might want to say. Oh, look, CoinGlass API Black Friday. You guys don't want that? I don't want that. Anyway, let's talk about this. So if we zoom out, just like this, okay, we could see below that 88,000 that we were. There's so a lot, right? We moved it up, and towards the upside, there are a lot at 102, somewhere around here. 93,000 here. That is a lot. This move could happen to 102,000. Where the heck up come from? That would be interesting because that's going to be at least a $10,000 move. If it happens in a day, I would say, Interesting. uh, so if you want to just see how much money we have to do, so we have sell orders 59, 82, 400 on perpetual, another 400 on perpetual on buy side. Basically, they're the same. The only difference is the distance. The distance towards downside is way uh smaller than the distance towards upside or closer. So we could dump it down and fill the buys first, right? Now, I do have a BlackRock chart that I want to show you guys about. I don't think the BlackRock does matter. So today we do have some news on Thursday, but these are not this month's news. These are the previous month's news, if I'm right, right? We haven't yet gotten today's news, right? I think this is September, isn't it? I don't know. I think so. Uh, so yeah, there you go. It is on. It is for today. So we'll see what happened today. But overall, BTC does have a little bit of room to go towards upside. If you wanna, do anything about it, BTC clear here or push it all the way to this area, right? I will see what happened or towards downside. I've talked about the downside as well. That is it. I don't know how informative this video is gonna be, but this is my analysis. Have a nice day.